Stop doing drugs outside. Misguided.
Some people think I'm crazy. They're about as tight as you want to go with those. You know?
What are you looking at?
I heard something, then I saw something. And then I felt something.
I see this guy everywhere.
To you? Sniffing? Sniffing sack. I should trademark Tippin's name. I bet you I could get Tippin back and Sniffin' Sack. What's he gonna pay me for him? Once I run his name into the ground? Shit. He's gonna owe me huge though to get his name back. I'm sure he'll pay handsomely. Some people think I'm crazy.
You like that?
This is good oil. Some of the best stuff you can get your greasy little paws on. You do stock it. I just pull it right off the shelf.
Right off the shelf.
Right. To be honest with you, I can't keep them on the shelf.
Where'd you get that one?
From the shelf. It's a gloomy, wet day over here at Misguided. We're gonna take it to the WAP. Wet ass pavement. Dude, that thing's fun in the rain. Stretched around in the rain?
Yeah.
It's mail time with Justin. We got a 6-shot package. Hard to believe, but I believe that it's the ECU that I sent out last week, which will be ridiculously fast. Can't wait. It's like a Russian nesting doll. It is the ECU, which is awesome. I can't believe it was that fast. So shout out to 6-shot. I'm sure everything will work great. I do not have the tank back yet, so I can't test start it, but I'm excited to. And it's exciting to know that I can finish wiring things up and running all the plugs to fit this into the subframe.
You like that pineapple drink, huh?
The ladies like it too. Oh, Jesus, take me away. Mail time. I believe this is going to be the scrape bar for the On Point subframe, as well as the integrated tail light for the subframe. Just as I suspected, and a ton of stickers, which I'm going to put on that table. Yeah, everything that they've sent us looks really nice, and I'm sure it'll fit great. My little back hurts.
What?
I watched all the Resident Evils last night with my cat.
Dude, I could go for some Anthony's tonight.
Big piece of pizza. It's about the size of my torso. I like to eat it with no shirt on.
You said a lot of things today that I don't like.
I'd ruin my shirt if I didn't eat it with no shirt on. So On Point makes it really easy to use your old plug. All you gotta do is cut your thing, and they got these all stripped down, ready to go for you. So we'll get into that. Integrated tail light, made by On Point, super slick, slicker than owl shit. Slicker than owl shit. It's gonna look cool. We'll get the undertail back on here, and that'll kind of wrap up the rear of the bike for the most part. Because we did the chain and sprockets, we did the big rotor, we got the bracket on there. I'm waiting on the caliper to come in. I can start messing around with the plastics, getting them on here, and then start moving forward and do the bars and the triple and the stealth stay and handbrake stuff and a bunch of other stuff. But right now we're moving along pretty good. We got all the wiring situated back here and exactly where the ECU is gonna sit. Got the lithium ion battery. We're looking good. business here, and this guy comes here and just acts up. Right there. Doing it. This is the gap though. That's a lot of power, huh? Just like that. There you go. Like y'all are on the motorcycle. If you want, I can take you around here a little bit one at a time. You want to try that?
Yeah.
Here you go. You want one? You want one of these? Oh, you want to go? All right, let's do it. Hang on tight, okay? It goes fast, huh? He's like rubbing on Nick. He's a good boy. Hey, school. Hey.
Rides
Isn't he?
motorcycles. You seen the guy who rides motorcycles and he'll put his cap in the front with the helmet?
What? No way. He's got a little showy?
Yeah.
Show Nick. Nick, look at this guy.
You gotta bring him on your scooter, dude.
His name is Scooter.
That's gonna be you one day.
Normally I'd use the impact, but it's Scoot's first day and I don't want to scare him. Do you think the music is scaring him? Steel laser cut sprocket. That's what it says. You think cats have think?
He looks like he's thinking.
We're gonna do a 530 EK racing chain. We stock these here at Misguided. If you ever need a chain, I probably have it here. What do you got going on when you're in town? You just came up here to hang out, or what?
Yeah, just to see the Misguided Motorsports, and then
That's it.
That's it, pretty much. And then obviously to
Let me
ride.
show you around. Scoot, look at Scoot before we go back here. What, are you gonna get like an Airbnb or something?
I don't know. Yeah, either an Airbnb or hopefully I can find a place and a job and stay here for a while.
Or try to find a job too?
Yeah.
Did you just uproot your whole life and now you're here?
Yeah, pretty much.
Are you filming
That's
this?
sick as fuck.
Yeah, we're out here. And we're
That's cool, dude.
That is cool.
I'm all about stunting, dude. That's like my passion.
You guys are really doing it, huh?
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
Still running stock sprocket right now. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Did you make that cage?
Yeah, I did.
You did that yourself?
Yep. Yeah, I built this whole.
Homemade radiator cage. Dude, bro, wait, don't tell me. This is a tiger shark.
Is
This cage?
No, I couldn't know whether it was
You don't
8 down or
know?
tiger shark. I
Yeah,
couldn't
this
know.
is a tiger shark. I used to
Okay.
have one on my... They don't make them anymore. This is like super old stuff.
That was my first fabrication web. Yeah. She saw it on there. I brought an extra tire so I could burn one off.
Did you?
Oh yeah.
I got tires back there too if you ever need tires. Hey, look at this.
What'd you find?
Stop doing drugs outside Misguided Motorsports.
He likes the camera.
He's a model.